Hello, viewers. Hello, friends. Today, we're going to continue from where we left off. We started a series where we were talking about general tips, for every accountant, both beginners and professionals. And for the beginners, we had to use the case of a foundation for a house, building a house. Okay, but in the case of experienced professionals, accountants who are already in the field, what do you think they also need to know about this particular career that they've chosen, that they're already in, and that are already making way for them? Basic tips, general tips for experienced professionals. That is what we're going to be discussing today. Have you at any point in your career experienced any, setback, challenge whatsoever, trying to build that career that and get to the particular stage where you are right now? For every professional, every experienced individual, one of the things you should know is that we need to keep learning. We need to keep improving ourselves because no man is an island of knowledge. The world will keep changing and evolving. And because of that, we need to keep learning. We need to keep, getting updated about things that are happening in the economy. My number one tip for that professional out there is to enhance your strategic and analytical thinking. What this means is that you should aim for something bigger. You should aim for being involved in the decision making and financial analysis for the organization. What about going into the financial analysis and decision making? Enhancing your strategic and analytical thinking means that you need to stay proactive in your activity towards being part of the major stakeholders in your firm. Another tip that I can give, identifying risks, challenges, so that you can be able to provide solutions to it. You need to be up and doing you need to be up and doing and be the best at what you do. Another tip that I'm going to give is to automate and streamline processes. You know, it is no longer about working hard, but working smarter and better to also produce efficient results. We now have a lot of automation tools, even AI automation tools, that can be able to make our work easier and better, which can help with forecasting in scheduling and the likes. Let us let us maximize these tools that are available to us as is. Another thing we should also look at is leadership and mentorship opportunity. Now, for the fact that you've gained, a very good experience in this particular field, have you thought about training, educating the young accountants, the upcoming ones? Why do you need to get yourself involved in it? This is because when you don't keep making use of every knowledge you've gained over time, it wanes, it becomes redundant. Allows that information that has been stored, every knowledge you've gained, to be put into effective use. Building leadership skills, negotiation skills, it will allow you to transition not just from being an accountant, but also transition into other executive roles like the chief finance officer, the finance executive, and the likes, and become part of, key members in the organization that can make decisions. Tip I have for you this time is to stay updated with compliance and regulatory changes. For you to be good at what you do, you need to always be aware of any major change that happens whenever it occurs and what aspect in particular it's going to affect. That enables you to stand out, and build that confidence in your clients and even amongst your colleagues that yes, you actually know what you're doing. You need to always stay updated in accounting standards, in tax laws, so that you can be able to help the organization, the firm, to be able to meet up with legal requirements. Tip I have is by expanding your knowledge and business operations. You can spread your wings by diversifying into related fields like HR, human resource, marketing, and even procurement. All these are also related roles that you can go into and even be a professional at that. And whenever opportunities arise, you would be able to deliver effectively and efficiently. Every individual who is regarding himself or herself as a professional must have some level of expertise. You should be able to deliver at some point, in fact, at every point. So if you're claiming to be a professional, there are some sacrifices you just have to, you just have to pay in order to achieve excellence, in order to attain success, in order to be the best at what you do, that even the beginners, the young accountants can be able to look up to you. In a nutshell, irrespective of whatever stage you are in your career, keep improving yourself, keep learning, keep developing yourself, keep getting certified, get so many trainings, go for trainings, workshops, seminars, and all that, just to ensure you're always, the best at what you do. I wish you good luck in your career, and I believe and expect you also to thrive in whatever career it is. Doesn't have to be finance, it doesn't have to be accounting, whatever career it is you want to venture into. Just be the best at what you do and have a lovely day.